So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix iPhone not allowing camera access on app. So for example, let's open Instagram. Now, if I open the camera, then as you can see here, the camera access is not allowed. So let's see how you can fix it. So for this, go back to the home screen. Now, open the settings app. Now here scroll down and tap on privacy and security. In this section, scroll down and tap on camera. Now here you will see all the apps which can access camera. Now look for the app with the camera permissions disabled. For example, I was using Instagram. And as you can see here, the camera access for Instagram is turned off. So you will have to enable it. For this, turn on this toggle. And this will enable camera access. To check it, go back to the home screen. Now, open the Instagram app. Now, if I open the camera, then as you can see here, the camera access is now given to the Instagram. So this is how I can fix iPhone not allowing camera access on app. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.